Good morning, beautiful people. My fans all over the world. Quickly, I just want to use this video. I know say after this video, many of you will still curse me for comment, will still insult me. But let's say the truth, and the truth will set you free. Most of you they message me, they call me. Each time I post, Pastor Osage Ize-Iyamu. Now say, youngest landlord, come on for politics. Youngest landlord. Now because say Pastor Osage Ize-Iyamu don't give you money, now make you the poster or now make you the campaign for them. First of all, wait here they do not be campaign, and they support a ambition. Because my brother, now who know you, now you know. It's not because of personal interest. Now who do for you, now you go do for. Many of you now when they come my shows, when they buy my table, you can testify. If you they do marriage, you they do burial, you they do birthday, and they constantly support, I know they collect money. So now know that one. The issue of Pastor Osage Ize-Iyamu, first of all, I'm not a politician, and I will never be a politician. I am supporting Pastor Osage Ize-Iyamu because of only 3 reasons. The first reasons, when my baby don't wear, una know say I don't born 2 years ago, as they born my baby, I rush and go UBTH. When UBTH doctor, they use me to play. They use me to play up and down. Me and my baby. My baby was in special care unit in UBTH. Now severe conditions, now they carry children go. I can testify to you that under 3 days when my baby take there with other children, 4 children die. Immediately. UBTH doctor, they use me to play. Not be same money no day. Now Pastor Osage Ize-Iyamu now call for phone. He even did burial. He let senior brother burial. He did burial. I call her, he not pick. Now I send test. I can also see screenshot the test. I see post on see. Now I say see problem where I do. He send me 2 professors, 2 doctors immediately. When come rapid response, and they can't take care of my baby. When my baby take their life today. That one I want. The other thing, I do show January 2nd, you know. I call and he say, okay, man, I support your show. He bought 200 tickets. He share and give people. He not come. That one or 2. Una know say if one and off reason maybe at the fire SSA or this thing during combat that's Oshomole government. Una see me for any campaign. Una see me as SSA. If I feel survivor now. When I don't see the track, now I consider one of the think. Person when do that kind of thing for me, save my baby life. They support me now. Where I feel call anytime go pick. I don't get money now to support your ambition. Wait till I get now to just see poster. That one about him. He win, he no win. I don't give to God on for God. Not be the one when they talk. He don't give you money. He don't give this one. He don't give this one. Look at attainment for those states. First of all, I'm not insulting or condemning this present government led by Mr. Godwin Obaseki. You are my governor. So, and I wish you well also. I can never insult your government. Look at attainment today. Not be bad thing if I don't get Edo talent, Edo entertainment village, Edo cinema. Look at our cultural troop. Not be bad thing say we get empowerment. Not be bad thing say we get Edo comedy challenge for this state. I must become the best comedian on our giver. Not be bad thing say we get Edo music fiesta. Not be bad thing say we get Edo Big Brother Naija. Not be bad thing. I know they talk about because many entertainers now, many Edo entertainers, una they watch me now, una know they talk. Because many of una leg na agada, una dey here, una they wait paper when they finish, then una come bring una head come out. Una know you cannot talk. Me not the person when they will do good for, then they know if he talk the good when person do. I reject it in my life. Pastor Osage Ize-Iyamu is my father. Now make me the supporter. Even you when they watch me, imagine I say person when they support you, they contest. You say you do not get money to give her. You say you know oppose her. I have fun now. I don't talk my own. Wait till I talk. I know you saw this present government. I know they campaign against her. And they only they support person when I don't you see here. Because in life, respect those on your way up. Because you still need them on your way down. Now only wait till I get to tell you. Thank you.